children, I, Neelu Agarwal, your SST teacher, welcomes you to the SST class. In our previous chapter, we have already learned that India can be divided into 6 physical divisions. Today we will discuss about the first physical division, that is the Northern Mountains. The second chapter of your book. In this chapter, we will learn about the different ranges of the Northern Mountain, and we will also discuss the life of the people living in the mountainous region. So let's start the second chapter, the Northern Mountains. A mountain is a huge mass of land that stretches above the surrounding land in the form of a peak. The topmost point is called peak. A mountain range is an area containing a line of mountains linked with each other. The area containing a line of mountain is a mountain range. The peaks of the mountains are covered with snow throughout the year. Throughout the year, the peaks are covered with snow. They pose a great attraction for the tourist due to fresh air, religious significance, and adventure sports opportunities. The forests in the mountain areas are a home to a variety of plants and animals. India has some of the highest mountain range in the world which have attractive sceneries. The Northern Mountain stretches across India, Bhutan, Tibet, Nepal, Afghanistan and Pakistan. They separate India from the rest of Asia. They include the Himalayan and the Karakoram mountain ranges of our country. Karakoram range lies in northwestern part of India and extends up to the Arunachal Pradesh in the northeast. The Karakoram range lies in the northwest part of India. Okay, the northwestern part of India. In India, these majestic mountains stretch for about 2,500 km from Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in the northeast. In the Himalayan range, the states covered by the Himalayan range are Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland, Tripura, hilly area of Assam, northern part of West Bengal, that is Darjeeling. All these states are covered with the Himalayan range. Now, these Himalayan ranges are further divided into 3 parallel ranges. The Greater Himalayas are also known as Himadri, the Middle Himalayas or Himachal, the Lower Himalayas or Shivalik. Now, let us discuss about the Greater Himalayas. The Himadri range in the highest of the 3 ranges, Himadri range is also known as the Kailasa range. It is the northernmost and longest row of mountains in the Himalayas. The highest peak in the Himadri is Mount Everest. The height of Mount Everest is 8,848 meters. It is in Nepal. You can easily understand with this map. This is Mount Everest. The height of the Mount Everest is 8,848 meters and it is the world's highest mountain. It is situated in Nepal. You can see from here, it is situated in Nepal. Okay. The first men to climb Mount Everest were Sir Edmund Hillary of New Zealand and Tenzing Norgay of Nepal in 1953. Here, the picture of Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay is given in your book. You can see, you can have a look. The first Indian woman to climb the peak was Bachendri Pal in 1984. The picture of Bachendri Pal is given. The other high peaks found in the Himadri range are Kanchenjunga 8,598 meter, Annapurna, Dhaulagiri and Nanda Devi 7,817 meter. The height is 7,817 meter. These peaks are covered with snow throughout the year. You can see the Great Himalaya. This is the Great Himalaya. These peaks are covered with snow throughout the year. At some places, this snow forms large ice sheets called glacier. A glacier is a huge mass of flowing ice. Mighty rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj, Ravi, Brahmaputra. The Ganga originate from the glaciers. The Ganga originates from the Gangotri glaciers. Trees such as fir, shrubs and wildflowers grow in the lower region of the Himadri. In the lower region of the Himadri, trees such as fir, shrubs and wildflowers grow. The narrow roads passing through the mountains. Two important mountains passes found in the Himadri are Rohtang Pass in Himachal Pradesh and Nathula in Sikkim. Life is very tough for people living in these regions. Life is too tough for the people who lives in these regions. The Karakoram range is a part of the Greater Himalayas. It lies to the northwest of the Himadri. Mount Godwin Austen is K2. The second highest peak in the world. Its height is 8,611 meter. Is in the Karakoram range. This is K2. It is located in India. It is also known as Mount Godwin Austen. It is located in India. It is the highest peak of India and it is the second highest peak in the world after Mount Everest. To the south of the Greater Himalaya lies Middle Himalaya. Middle Himalayas is also known as Himachal Range. The Himachal Range is lower than the Himadri Range. You can see the Himachal Range is lower than the Himadri Range. This range has many valleys such as Kashmir, Kangara and Kullu. Many beautiful hill stations like Shimla, Kullu Manali, Darjeeling, Srinagar, Nainital, etc. are located in the Himachal Range. Here you can see from this picture the Manali in winter season. Have a look. The Himachal Range is covered with thick forest of pine, fir, oak and deodar. At the extreme south of northern mountain are the lower Himalayan range. Is also known as Shivalik. This range has hills rather than mountain and is covered with forest. These forests are the home of many wild animals. It has thick forest. Wild animals like tiger, snow leopard, elephant and wild yak are found in these forests. At the foothills of the Shivalik range, the land is flat and is called the Tarai region. This region receives heavy rainfall. The Tarai region receives heavy rainfall. The land here is very fertile. crops like wheat, rice and sugarcane are grown here. The mountain range situated near India's eastern border with Myanmar. The hills found here are the Garo, the Jaintia, the Lushai, the Naga and the Mizo. And these hills collectively known as Purvanchal Range. That's all for today. In the next class, we will continue the same chapter. I hope this video will help you in learning. So keep learning. Thank you. Have a nice day.